Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get list of roles associated to a user in Keycloak using Keycloak admin REST API. So let's get started. Now I have already ran this particular command to using Docker on my local system, so that I have Keycloak up and running. So I can now directly go to localhost:8080. Okay, I think I forgot to. Okay, so it is still running, but once this has been completed, we can directly go to localhost:8080 and it should be like we should have Keycloak up and running on our system. So let's just wait for this. Sorry about this. It should be up and okay. So here you can see now the user name and password are admin. So I will just enter that and I'll click on sign in. Now to access the Keycloak REST API, we need to create a client. So I'll just click on go to client, click on create client. The client ID is important, so do remember this. I'll just name it as my client. You can name it whatever you feel like, but this ID needs to be used on REST API as well. Click on next, enable client authentication, check this direct access grant, click on next again, and here you can just click on save. Then by default there is master realm which is available by default, so I'm not creating any other realm. Again I'll go back to our client, and this is the my client. I'll go to credentials, I'll copy this particular credentials. Then you have to come to Postman, and firstly what you need to do is you need to go to localhost:8080/realms. okay, this is my domain, localhost:8080. if you have hosted it on different domain, you'll have to change it, /realms/master. so this is the master realm which is present by default, /protocol/openid connect/token. okay, and here inside username password you have to pass admin. Then the grant type is password. The client ID is the client which we have just created, and the client secret which we have just copied. So I'll just paste it over here. I'll click on send. It will give us the access token. The access token is only valid for 1 minute, so I can just quickly copy this. okay, I'll come back to this particular API. Here again this will help us to fetch a list of roles associated to a user. So again this should be your own domain. So for me it is localhost:8080/admin/realm. so this should be a realm name. Again it is master in our case /user, and this should be the user ID. Now from where you can get the user ID, you can just go to users, go to that particular user. So this is the user ID, right? I'll copy this and I'll just change it over here. So I'll just remove this particular part, I'll paste it over here, /role mappings. okay, and inside authorization we need to pass the bearer token. So I can just remove this particular part as well. okay, and again I need to generate the access token because the previous one has already expired. So now again I'll just copy this particular part, command C, and I'll just do command V over here, and I'll click on send. And here you can see these are the roles associated with the user, like the admin as well as default role master. If you don't believe me, you can just go to role mapping, and here you can see these are the two roles. If I just delete this default role master, okay, and now if I try to send again, here you can see I'm only able to see the admin role. So yeah, that's how you can get list of roles associated to a user in Keycloak. Thank you for watching. Bye.